Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Burns Hustles, where you can turn side hustles into cash. And usually I'm very positive about doing Airbnb, but lately it's been difficult. As mentioned in another video, we had this strange man who stayed illegally in our guest house. And we were silly. We hadn't been changing the code because it was difficult. And we'd never had an issue with it, but stupid. So live and learn. Anyway, very strange guy, and he left all this stuff at the guest house, just bags and bags of things. And I threatened to throw it away, but I haven't. And then he wasn't responding to messages. We tried to send it to him, and the address he gave us was wrong. So now he's not responding to messages, and we've threatened to get the police involved, which we will do, actually. It's been a nightmare, really. It's been really difficult. So maybe it's good for you to be aware of some of the things that can happen, some of the strange people you have to deal with. Most people are fine, but here and then you get someone who's just not a very nice person, and that's what's been going on lately, so we've been dealing with that. We've been talking with Airbnb. The first support person I talked to was not helpful at all, and I made another video about that. I'm not impressed with Airbnb's support system. It really should be much better. I was referred on to another person. One of my staff found this other support person. He's been better, but we wanted to get this guy's real address so we can send his stuff to him, but they won't give out that information. So we're kind of stuck with his stuff. And then they've been trying to contact him as well, as have we, but he doesn't answer anyone. So the next step is to get the police involved. So that's what we're going to do, because I don't feel comfortable throwing away his things. There's some strange things that he's left too, so I don't really want to go into detail, but it's been very strange. So my advice through all this: learn from my experience, learn from my mistakes, change your lockbox code so it doesn't happen. Review your guests honestly. This guy's got fantastic reviews, like 20 fantastic reviews, 5 out of 5. And I won't say his name, but he's a criminal in my opinion. And I think the law would say that too, but I guess until it's proven in a court of law, he's innocent. But, you know. Just be careful out there. Change your lockbox codes. Be aware that it's not all roses when you do Airbnb. I've actually thought about quitting, over this. It's just been a lot of stress that I don't need. I've already got to teach at universities, and I'm busy. So, just dealing with this has been very difficult as well. Another thing I've got to think about. And not having dealt with it before, it's been really tough. So, Airbnb, I guess in the end they've been helpful, but I'm not so impressed with support. One thing I don't like about Airbnb support is you send a message and it's like they haven't read it at all. They start from the start, but you've already started the process. So I don't understand why they can't read the message and then answer based on that, but you got to say the message again. It's just so frustrating, and this has been 8 years of this. The support system's never improved, so I find that really disappointing, to be honest. And I'm a super host, so anyway, I hope things are going well for you. Please leave some comments if you've had a similar experience. If you have any advice for me and others, would love to hear that too. Thank you for watching.